To UKey Wallet. In this video, you'll learn how to create or import your wallet on UKey Wallet App. First, open UKey Wallet App. Tap Create Wallet to continue. You can choose to either create new or import wallet. To create a new one, select Create New Wallet, then set a 6-digit PIN for your app. You'll use this PIN each time you log into your wallet and before approving any transaction. Next, enhance your app's security by enabling passcode protection. If the wrong passcode is entered 10 times in a row, the app will automatically reset. The system will then generate a recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase, which allows you to restore access to your wallet if it is ever lost. Tap Backup Now to continue. 12 words will appear on the screen. These words make up your recovery phrase. Keep your recovery phrase safe. Avoid storing it in screenshots or cloud storage. Instead, write it down and store it in a secure physical location. Next, verify your recovery phrase by entering the requested numbered words. Once you've successfully verified your recovery phrase, your wallet is ready to use. Learn how to back up your recovery phrase with a UKey Seed TI, UKey card, or UKey ring in our next video. If you already have a wallet and want to import it into the UKey Wallet app, tap Import Wallet. Several import options are available, but in this tutorial, we'll show you how to import your wallet using your recovery phrase. First, select Recovery Phrase to import your wallet. Also set a 6-digit PIN and enable passcode protection to secure your app. Next, enter the 12 or 24 words of your recovery phrase in the correct order, then tap Confirm. You can use the recovery phrase from your existing wallet, whether it is from UKey Core or another wallet. Your wallet has now been successfully imported. Keep your assets secure and enjoy a safer self-custody experience with UKey.